Okay, so we're trying here to analyze what would be Alice sales representative, how she would be using with the sales director the platform, EpsimoAI platform, to provide some analysis on a deal, right, on a conversation with the customer, and how much efficient is an AI platform today to analyze, to do what we call conversational intelligence. So basically, if I go into Alice support agent, so let's imagine we can provide Alice with a support agent, knowing that we can also, of course, provide those agents to the sales director. But here, let's imagine we go and create an agent. So, and once again, this can be automatized, of course, and prepared for Alice, but just to show how these things can work from the background. We have some transcript from Alice talking to our customer. So here it's a French company called Jardiland, whatever it is. And there's got some conversation, and this is a very simple conversation between Alice and her customer. So as a sales director or business manager, I don't read this. Let's imagine I don't want to read. So I will create a bot here, and I will just go and take the transcript as a text, and in fact use this inside the agent. We will call this, let's call it, we say Alice, we call this agent Alice deal assistant. Let's call it deal assistant. And so we have this here. We will just explain what is the document. So basically, you need to give, in fact, Alice, you get explain to the bot what is the document. So it's just, is a reference of the content of the discussion between Alice and the sales and the prospects, the sales representative and the prospect. And then let's explain what we expect this agent to be doing, right? So let's say here you will be you are a sales assistant and you're able to analyze. Well, it doesn't care if there is some mistakes, but basically, basically you will explain that you analyze the deal, and of course the conversation with Alice, and then you give some recommendations. So here I can use multiple tools, right? I can ask the system to go into if I give this bot access to internet, I will give, he can go and check the website of the prospects, do some things to help Alice. I will put GPT-4 Turbo here and get back to the web because it's okay. So GPT-4 Turbo as a model, retrieval for the document, and access to the web, and then some indication, and of course you need to have the conversation content in the bot. So once you got this, you got your Alice Deal Assistant. Let's save this. So it's been embedding this conversation inside the platform. So basically now the platform has got the knowledge about this in fact deal, and if I say hello, he's gonna ask me what I want and say analyze the deal. So basically he's gonna go and look at the document, and based on the document he's going to be analyzing what's going on, and give me some understanding of next step of what should I do. In fact, what are the next step I should look for, right? So basically, the model is gonna give me some recommendation on what should be done, and maybe I can ask to go into the details because it's saying, to understand the customer budget and needs, and build the value proposition, volume discount. So basically now, if we say understanding the customer budget and needs, say please detail this, right? So if I say please detail, please detail the step step one and step one and give Alice some recommendations on how to get this from the customer. So basically, this is again something you can have in the platform that could be prepared and already. So he's gonna say direct question you can ask. So he's gonna tell Alice what she should do. She should ask about budget directly. She should inquire about priorities. She should offer options. So he's gonna go into the details of what Alice could do, or give even examples of what we can do in terms of getting those information which are obviously missing in the deal here. And once again, I didn't read the document. I don't know what it is about, but basically this agent is now going to help Alice building in fact, the proposal or building the next step. So let's see if we can go into the internet and build an email for Alice to write to this customer to move to the next step, right? So let's say check the Jardiland website. Understand what they need, what they do, and need, and tailor an email from Alice to move the deal forward, right? So let's see what the agent is going to think about, because now I'm going to ask the agent to check the internet. So he's going to go into Jardiland website, and he's going also going to be tailoring the answer, and then he's going to say, dear, and he's gonna be able to really be able to qualify what Jardiland is doing over the internet, and now of course write the email which is really tailored to what Alice is needing, and also very specific to the deal and what the website is saying. Is kind of trying to think about what's on the website and what we have in the content of the conversation, and he's going to build an email which is really and this is once again very easy to do. I've just give you this as an example to be able to use this for helping salespeople and your sales team. And of course, there are a lot of things we can do to improve this and get more information into the platform, right? So hopefully you understand this, and let's get in touch to see how we can do this in your organization today.